Looking for the perfect computer chair? The Cooler Master Hybrid M might just end your search. It features Bluetooth connectivity, high-density foam, and even a built-in massage mode. With its own battery, you can enjoy a relaxing massage even during power outages, and a full charge gives you an hour of comfort. Like any top-tier chair, the Hybrid M is height-adjustable, ranging from 44 to 52 centimeters, and the quick-release magnetic lumbar support ensures you're always sitting comfortably. Priced at $895, it's a premium choice for those who want the best. During the summer of 2022, Europe experienced an intense heat wave, with temperatures soaring to 40 degrees Celsius. Reports of shattered temperature records were everywhere. This year, with the heat expected to hit France during the Summer Olympics, cooling vests like KOOJACK might become more of a necessity than just a cool gadget. This vest cools you down within 3 seconds of activation, dropping the air temperature to as low as 25 degrees Celsius. On a full charge, it can keep you cool for up to 2 hours. Do you think $129 is a fair price for staying comfortable? Meet the GYROOR S300, a cool hybrid between rollerblades and a hoverboard. It covers 10 kilometers on a single charge and reaches speeds of 10 kilometers per hour. While not the fastest, it's incredibly lightweight at just 3.5 kilograms. The wide 9 centimeters wheels provide stability on various surfaces. At $299, it's an exciting and fun way to get around. Presenting the Olight Station X, your all-in-one solution for charging, testing, and organizing AA and AAA batteries. It holds either 32 or 36 batteries, charges twice as fast as most brands, and comes with 8 safety features like short circuit and overcurrent protection. Plus, you can connect and power 2 devices with just one adapter. Priced at $99, the Oxs Station X is a handy tool to keep your batteries in check. When was the last time you cleaned your keyboard or mouse? These everyday items can get pretty grimy. Enter the WFit Cleaning Kit, 21 tools in one to keep your gadget spotless. Whether it's your keyboard, headphones, or screens, this kit helps you remove dirt, dust, and fingerprints effortlessly. And when you're done, it doubles as a pin holder. All this for just $16. Introducing the MEETMESA, a revolutionary combination of an air conditioner minibar fridge and ice maker, all packed into one cool table. Perfect for escaping the summer heat. It holds up to 20 liters and includes 8 USB ports for wireless charging spots, RGB lighting, and a built-in speaker system. To ensure it doesn't quit on you, it's equipped with a 1360 WH battery, enough to charge 15 MacBooks in a row. With all these features, the MEETMESA is priced at $449. See the world in a whole new way with Roked AR Glasses. These glasses deliver a 4K experience, making it feel like you're watching on a 120-inch screen. With features like voice control and adjustable focus, they work seamlessly with modern devices, including the Steam Deck. Weighing just 85 grams, they're comfortable for extended use. And with a 43 degrees viewing angle, you're in for an immersive experience. Priced at $630, they're your gateway to the future of visual entertainment. WINDSIBLE is a unique product designed for car model enthusiasts who want to showcase their collections and style. Forget traditional stands, this innovative display features a working wind tunnel that makes your F1 champion car or vintage sports car model look even cooler. Available in several scales, it accommodates models ranging from 1:18 to 1 hour 64 minutes. A fog generator creates visible airflow with a maximum virtual speed of 400 kilometers per hour. However, this level of coolness comes at a price. $99 at the very least. For $700, you could start your own brewing adventure with the IGULU Smart F1 home brewing system. This system comes with 3 starter kits to brew Bavarian wheat, pale ale, and amber lager. It can also craft white wine, cider, and even hard seltzer. With precise fermentation control from 2 to 30 degrees Celsius and adjustable serving temperatures from 2 to 12 degrees Celsius, every sip is perfectly tailored to your taste. Trap and Zap might sound like the title of an action movie, but it's actually a nifty mosquito swatter. Using ultraviolet light and scents to attract bugs, it zaps them with electric shocks. You can even create your own attractant with detergent. The best part? A single charge lasts up to 20 days. Not too shabby for just $59. The Oxs Thunder Pro soundbar isn't just for improving your gaming experience, it puts you right in the heart of the action. With detailed sound that can give you an edge in games, its FPS mode amplifies enemy footsteps, while MOBA mode enhances character skill sounds and team communication. This 5.1.2 system supports Dolby Atmos and comes with a powerful 160-watt amplifier. At $600, it's an investment in top-quality sound. Inspired by jet engines, the TELLO ZET is a futuristic fan that looks like something straight out of a video game. This spherical device provides an air output distance of up to 20 meters and rotates both horizontally and vertically by 90 degrees. If you have an air conditioner in the room, the TELLO ZET can help distribute the cool air more evenly, even reaching the ceiling. Don't worry about noise, it operates at just 36 dB, which is quieter than a library. You can enjoy a refreshing breeze at home for $159. Nothing is nicer on a sweltering summer day than a cool smoothie or frappe. In only 40 seconds, the tiny cordless ZULAY kitchen blender can crush ice and combine a smooth drink. With a capacity of 530 milliliters, it's ideal for workplace use or picnics. It works well for sauces and purees, and allows you to make multiple drinks with only one charge. For just $29, it's an incredible deal for anyone who enjoys flavorful fast drinks. There are around 40 million digital nomads worldwide, and they're always on the move. The OYO Personal Gym is perfect for those who need lightweight and compact workout gear. Weighing less than a kilogram, it offers the same stretching capabilities as a full gym. With over 200 exercise and training videos, including Pilates, yoga, and cardio, you're all set. The kit even includes resistance discs. The basic OYO Personal Gym model is priced at $284. Ever wondered how to sell a ruler for $110? The NEORULER shows you how. This digital ruler remembers 93 different scales, making it perfect for builders, engineers, and designers alike. From yards to kilometers, you can measure almost anything, and with a tap, send the results to your app via Bluetooth. Share them with colleagues as CAD files or JPEG images. One neat feature? You can easily divide any segment into 12 or fewer parts. It also boasts an LCD display, and despite its built-in 1000 mAh battery, the 30 centimeters ruler weighs under 200 grams. Pretty impressive for a ruler, right? The Graco SmartSense bassinet is a game-changer for parents. When it detects your baby crying, it automatically starts rocking and plays white noise to give you a much-needed break. It also comes with a soft 100% organic cotton sheet for extra comfort. Bluetooth compatible, it allows parents to stream songs and sounds easily. Designed for babies up to 9 kilograms who aren't yet able to push up on their hands and knees, the SmartSense bassinet is a hit among parents and is available for $400. The Dwarf 2 is a telescope that can also function as a camera, which makes it ideal for a number of applications, including astronomy and watching soccer games. Because of its integrated AI object identification and auto-tracking, it is able to keep focus on moving targets. It can be linked to iOS and Android devices by Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and it features a Sony Starvis IMX415 sensor for clear bright photos and videos. A 32GB TF card has 512 GB of expandable capacity, thus it can store a lot of data. With a 675mm focal length, the Dwarf 2 is a powerful tool priced at $459. Barbecue parties are fun, but safety with gas grills is crucial. It's easy to forget to turn off the gas when you're busy having a good time. That's where the smart gas timer comes in. It automatically shuts off the gas after a set time, ranging from 10 to 60 minutes. And don't worry about it interrupting your cooking. It has a bypass mode for those long grill sessions. The timer connects to hoses with 9.5mm MET connectors and is priced at $134. Roked is more than just a desktop robot, it's a versatile companion. One of its standout features is the ability to switch between Android and Linux. With Android, you have access to countless apps, while Linux lets you write and test your own code in Python. Roked comes with ChatGPT built in, so it can answer your questions, remind you about important dates, and even manage your shopping list and emails. It doubles as an alarm clock, voice recorder, and webcam. Plus, with various facial expressions and dance moves, Roked adds a bit of fun to your day. You can bring Roked home for $379. It may surprise you to learn that more than 2/3 of American homes have pets. The fact that 85% of dog owners and 76% of cat owners consider their animals to be members of the family should not be shocking. Given this, it would seem prudent to purchase the ROLA PETPAL robot for $229. With the help of this ingenious gadget, you can converse with your dogs during your work breaks while simultaneously feeding and satisfying them. With artificial intelligence, PETPAL can recognize your pets and deliver rewards on schedule. It also creates a best of the day film from the clips it selects, which is great for folks who like to watch what their furry friends are up to. The ADDACC team has unveiled a compact yet potent desk fan that is ideal for use in the workplace. It can operate for up to 30 hours on a single charge. It may be attached to the edge of a table with ease thanks to a handy clip, and it turns automatically at 45 degrees or 90 degrees. The fan won't disturb your workspace even with its powerful operation because it only produces 20 dB of noise. Bright backlighting enhances the basic design, giving it a fashionable desk accessory. All of this for under $30, which is a fantastic price for such a powerful fan. Say hello to GOMIST, your new go-to bottle for both hydration and a refreshing mist. With a capacity of 739 milliliters, this innovative bottle has a lid that can produce a cooling mist for up to 60 seconds, thanks to its vacuum and double-wall stainless steel construction. Whether you want to keep your drinks cool or hot, GOMIST has you covered. It's available online for just $65, a great deal for a bottle that does it all, though we can't promise it will make your cappuccino foggy. Meet the Brisket Origin, the first ever AI-powered grill that's here to revolutionize your cooking experience. Just tell it what you're in the mood for, and it will whip up a personalized recipe in seconds, whether it's a simple roast or an elaborate multi-course meal tailored to dietary needs. This high-tech grill can cook using 8 different methods and heats up to a sizzling 260 degrees Celsius. And don't worry if you forget to season or flip your food. The AI has you covered, adjusting so nothing burns. You can bring home this smart grilling marvel for $700. A UK postal firm once surveyed 2,000 people and found that 1 in 3 hadn't handwritten anything in 6 months. Keep the art of writing alive with the SYNCPEN 4. This smart pen uses an infrared camera and advanced algorithms to instantly digitize anything you write or draw, sending it straight to the cloud. The SYNCPEN 4 also doubles as a voice recorder and can transcribe in 73 languages. Store your notes as PDFs, DOCX, JPEGs, or MP4s, and easily share them on social media. You can get your hands on this clever gadget for $139. The BESTIER fireplace TV stand is more than just a place for your TV. It's also a cozy fireplace. While it doesn't have a real flame, it does let you adjust the temperature from 17 degrees Celsius to 33 degrees Celsius with just a few touches. You can even customize the flame's color and speed to set the perfect mood. BESTIER can heat a room up to 37 square meters and supports TVs up to 75 inches. The sturdy metal frame and spacious shelves make it perfect for storing books, movies, and more. Warm up your space with BESTIER for just $317.